Hello everybody, this is Mr. Hartzler. I'm going to talk to you about how to use the sweep tool on AutoDesk Inventor. This is the 2017 version. I want to also start off by saying anytime you just hang over a tool, just rest your mouse over it for a second, it'll show you all the little pieces you need to know about that tool. So reading just the definition there, sweep, it sweeps one or more sketch profiles along a selected path to create a feature or body. So first we need a feature that we want to have, then sweep across the path. So I'm going to make just some generic shape. Let's see. Let's make an interesting shape on this plane. Alright, so I have a sketch on a plane. There it is. I hit escape so that I'm no longer making those same sketches, or that same shape, and I'm going to finish that sketch. It's important to finish that sketch. I need 2 sketches in order to sweep. So I need to start a new sketch. Notice that the original sketch is on the XY plane. Okay, it's on that XY plane. I have to choose a different plane to have my next sketch. If I'm on this plane, I want to choose this one as my next plane. Excuse me. So I'm going to choose my now YZ plane. Alright, so looking at my original shape, I can only see the line of it, the profile of it from its edge, and that's important. Let's make some arcs now from this center point. That, if you'll notice, is the center point on that hexagon. I'm going to start there and then come out from there. Just do some interesting shapes. Might not do that. There we go. Alright. Let's just call that for now. Finish that sketch. So, I've got the hexagon and I've got my line that comes off of that, my couple of arcs there. Now I'm going to hit sweep. My hexagon turned blue because that's the only solid shape I have. So it assumes that that's the profile that I want to have sweep across this line. If I have more profiles to choose, or if that's the wrong one, I'm going to click on profile again and select or deselect whatever you need. Then choose path and click on the path that you've chosen. Once you do that, there's some other small tweaks you can make, but for the most part that'll do everything you want, and you can hit OK. Oh, it failed. Let's see. It's probably because the shape is too, can't make this corner right here. So I'm just going to change those lines and then we'll be right back. Alright, we're back here. So all I did here was I made a different line here. I don't think it liked how sharp the little cusp was on the last profile I made. So we are still going to sweep. It still defaults to that shape. And now I have to choose my path. Choose this line. For me it turns red. For you it might not turn red. It depends on your background color settings. Once I click on it, you can see that this is the preview of what's going to happen. Hit OK, and there it is. So I made a shape, and then I made a path on a different plane, and it followed that plane. Or sorry, it followed that path. Let's go back to what it was. Alright, one more. So I was here. This hexagon and these lines are on different planes. They are different sketches. And notice too, I don't have these two lined exactly up. My path doesn't start in the center, but Inventor is smart enough to understand that you meant for it to be, and sometimes it'll even pop up with a small error code and just accept it, and then it'll line these up. And that's it for using sweep. This is nice when you're needing to make rope or something that looks like rope, or arches, and it's just the arch that's solid, things like that. But yeah, there's a way to use sweep on AutoDesk Inventor 2017. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.